underestimated the girls. I would have thought we probably got a bit too big for our boots.
I think Nick taking me. I think Nick could have won it if he didn't take me on.
Okay.
I think that. Yeah,
No,
because I think he could have taken someone else on and played it a different way. But his loyalty to me and wanting me and him to finish together, I think that was probably actually his. Not my downfall, but his downfall.
It's so intense that like I had a decision in that room there when I was thinking which way do I go, and ultimately like I would rather not lose because I wanted to win, but to share the experience because I knew he was going to be loyal to me. I felt like he was going to be loyal to me throughout. It would have been so much easier to go through this intense experience with him, having my back, no matter what. At the round table, we ebbed and flowed, and he was always in my corner, I was always in his corner. So that was something special that we had. Obviously, it wasn't good enough to beat the three girls, but it was a nice thing to have in a very intense environment. So. No, I never thought we'd lose. We obviously thought we'd win, but yeah, it was great to have him there.
That's probably why your sons liked us, because we acted their age.